Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through step by step how to change the currency preference on Amazon. First of all, launch open the Amazon application on your device. You can also go visit Amazon website on a web browser. Make sure that you're signed into your account, and once logged in, tap on the human button at the bottom. Now click on the flag icon at the top right corner. From here, you can select your currency. Tap the currency option and choose a different currency of your preference. After making a selection, click on Done. And that's how easy you can change your currency settings on Amazon shopping. This makes it easier to compare prices in terms you understand and avoid surprises. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.